So, hello again, it's Ian at Castle Vape. I had a couple of questions from a couple of friends today regarding how long coils last, and they didn't believe me on how long coils could last. And as it happened, I did a video the other day about coils, and they said, yeah, but they don't look that bad, you know, you can just re-wick them and do that. So I thought, challenge accepted. I think what we'll do is I'll find the oldest RDA that I can find and see if I can clean it. So I found it. It is this puppy, which is a Druger, alright, 24mm Druger, and it's very hard to get the top off. And these are the coils. Yes, they are. Go on, focus, god damn it. Let me focus, go on. There you go. They are black as the ace of spades. So, are these going to be salvageable? To be honest with you, we'll find out. So, they're reading at 0.16 ohms right now. That's not very nice. It looks a bit minging. And it is, to be honest with you. It looks like I haven't touched this RDA in about 2-3 months maybe. And I mean, it's black. It's really black. So let's just get this gunk out. Get them in the handy dandy bin. And then, oh, it's not even attached. Cotton's burnt out. Right, so I'm going to put some power, quite a lot of power through this. This is 0.15. So I reckon we can probably get this up to about 80, 90 and it won't worry. That's on 113 watts. That should certainly get it hot. Just pulse it. And there we go. Hot and gunk. See, the batteries aren't going to handle 120 watts, so I'll turn it down about 80. Let's see how caked they are. And there we go. I'm going to strum these next. You can strum them with anything as long as you haven't got the power buttons on. Tighten that up. Yep, that needs tightening. I can see it getting a bit hot. And that one needs tightening as well. So I'll squeeze them together. A screwdriver just to straighten these puppies out. 3mm screwdriver, lift it up. And that, once we get them talking to each other, better. Singing again. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Could do with a touch more water in there. But it's enough. And now, they are better than what they were. And I think I'll probably be able to salvage these. Just need them to heat up evenly. There you go. So, that's that one done. I think that's going to work. I'll get it cleaned out with a bit of Muji. I'll put some cotton in it. And we'll see if that's going to do any good. Okie dokie then. So, I've cleaned it out. I'm going to finish cleaning it out with some Muji. Get some Muji in there. Just to get any excess water or juice that's in there. If I was going to go at nth degree, I'd put it in the ultrasonic cleaner that I've got. But you don't want to sit and watch an ultrasonic cleaner for 10 minutes a day. And I'd probably put it through 2 or 3 times just to lift off that excess junk. That's more cack dealt with. Nicely bit of Muji. Get this taken off. Roll and hide in. Now looking at the coils, to be honest with you, they're still a bit black, but when I press that button, they're firing at the same time. And they are pretty sexy clappers. So these are at least 2 months old. I'm putting some fresh cotton in them. I've cleaned them. Or I've given them a quick rinse. Let's be honest, I haven't cleaned them at all. I've just given them a bit of a blast to get rid of all the carbon buildup. And as you saw, it was black as the ace of spades. They were minging coils. They'd been sitting in that RDA with juice in it for at least a month, maybe 2, maybe even more, to be honest with you. I hope this hasn't got the skunky pin in, because it might have. I think that's why it looks like it's got a skunky pin actually. But I won't fill the juice well up. We'll just dress the coils. There we go. So that's 2 in. Snip, snip. And that is back. Hide the cotton in. Dink. And dink. That's 2. Dink 3. Dink 4. Right, so fresh cotton. Go and focus, goddammit. There you go. The coils are a lot better than what they were. Go and focus again. I said focus. There you go. So, better than what they were. That's for sure. So, Barista Brew. Hello, beautiful. Let's cover you up and get these coils dressed. Like I said, I'm not going to fill this up because I'm sure, without taking it all apart and having a look on the underside of it, I'm sure this has got a squonky pin in it, which I'll cover another day. Squonky donk donk donk. It's got a little bit of juice in the well. Airflow half open like I like it. I'm going to turn it down to 0.15. Clear all my junk. While I'm turning it down, I'll have a cup of coffee. I'm going to have this at 50 watts. Or close enough to 50 watts-ish, right? Because this does speed up. There we go. 47 watts. It's crackling. I think I need more power. Go to 70, 60-ish. 65, that'd be better. Ooh. You know, for 3-month-old coils, that's not bad. I'm going to turn it down to 60. Answered a few questions on Reddit today about coils. And I love to be honest with you, I love answering the questions. Because you can tell the people who are just genuinely asking for a question, and then you can see the trolls. And you can tell, well, I usually can. and 9 times out of 10 I'm right. So I don't mind answering the questions, and they're usually about coils and what wattage to put it at, and does this battery look safe? You know, the best thing to do is ask. You know, there's a million people out there that aren't trolls that will help you just by asking, and that's, you know, that's what we do here. That's what we specialise in, being awesome, because we are freaking awesome. Here we are. It's fresh. It's tasty. The coils, and I'm not getting any cotton taste, which I was surprised at. With it being fresh cotton, I was thought it would more than likely be very cottony to start off with, but it's not. I think that the coils that are at least, they've got to be 3 months old. They've got to be 3 month old coils, and I've just cleaned them really quickly in a bit of water. Yeah, I can do tricks. I'm not just a pretty face, you know. So anyway, this is an additional add-on to the original video I did yesterday, and there's a customer's build that walked through the door this morning, which I've also did a video of. So enjoy from Castle Vape in the northeast of England. Toodle pip, au revoir, das vidania, hasta mañana, arigato, and ciao. Bye bye.